How to call Amazon support team. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to phone call Amazon support team easily and fast. Go to Amazon app. This is the home page. Now go down here on those three lines and click on them like this. It will take you directly to this page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do on this page, click on customer service and it will take you here. Scroll down, click on something else, click I need more help right here, and now you will find request call phone, a phone call right here. Click on it, and now all what you have to do is add your number right here and click call me now. So easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.